Hi guys, I'm Muskan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I began to worry about what other people thought of me and started seeing myself through their eyes. In a world where we have been raised to put others first, self love can often feel selfish. Setting aside time for self love causes feeling of guilt, and we struggle to maintain a dedicated self love practice. It's frustrating. We know we need self love, yet we have difficulty giving ourselves permission to experience it. Ironic, isn't it? We are living in an era where self love revolution is gaining momentum, yet we have trouble during the work. It goes against everything we were raised to believe. We were never taught self love in school, and most of us didn't learn about self love in our homes. So, what did we learn? We learned to put others first. We learned the importance of success. We learned to work hard and make money, but we didn't learn how to keep ourselves feeling fueled for that journey. No matter who you are, where you are from, your skin color, your gender identity, just speak yourself. Find your name and find your voice by speaking yourself. Self love is our fuel, it's the foundation for who we are. Everything builds on top of this foundation, and if it isn't solid, life feels shaky. For those of us who have experienced the power of self love, we can agree that the effects can often feel quite magical. The moment we start loving ourselves, we experience shifts, that too positive shifts. Life begins to move forward with more ease and things begin to magically fall into place. Relationships improve, health improves, and life begins to feel good, really good, ridiculously good. Loving you first and creating that deep internal relationship has countless magical benefits. When you begin your love affair with yourself, you will recognize and prioritize your needs. In order to create that loving relationship with yourself, you'll have to recognize your needs. Without self love, you are dismissive of your needs. You ignore them, while prioritizing the needs of others, such as your partners, friends, family, and co workers. Self love is all about identifying your needs and making them a priority in your life. It's about doing what truly feels right for you. Gain a true sense of self, guys. Say goodbye to codependency. Self love pushes you to take care of your own needs. You will learn to give to yourself, and in doing so, you will develop into the person you strive to be. You will celebrate the beauty and freedom of being true to you, and you will gain a solidified sense of who you truly are. Self love helps you ground into your true self. Set loving boundaries. As your self love expands, so will your ability to identify what is and isn't good for you. Simply put, the more you love yourself, the less you'll tolerate being treated like a crap. You'll gain the clarity you need to understand what you will and will not accept in your future. Prevent self sabotage. You know when everything is finally going great, and then all of a sudden you sabotage that great feeling by doing something destructive. Self love makes that saboteur behavior go away. As we grow that love within you, it will become easier to accept good things in your life. Drop the victim mentality. Self love is all about taking ownership, owing up to your actions, and how you choose to show up in this world. The only reason you adopt a victim mentality is because you refuse to see the role you play in your experiences. When you begin to prioritize self love, you start to view your experiences differently. It's all about learning lessons, not denying them. Ownership is empowering. Give love without feeling depleted. Flight attendants always tell you to put your mask on before helping with others. Why? Because you can't help others if you can't breathe. Self love works the same way. You cannot give love to others if you don't have that love within. You may feel as though you have the ability to love, but what's really happening is you are giving love from an empty space, further draining your energy and emptying your tank. This leads to that sense of depletion, emptiness, and exhaustion after you feel yourself and giving to someone. However, when you remember to put your mask on first and stock up on self love, you'll be giving love from a full tank. This type of giving feels energizing and good. Find your own happy space. Stop seeking happiness outside of you. You won't find it. You may find temporary happy moments, but you won't find long lasting happiness. Self love helps you get your groove back. It's simple and really. The more love you show yourself, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the happier you become. You are in charge of your happiness, and self love is the key to finding it. Guys, believe me, self love is not selfish. Self love is about connecting to your innermost need, celebrating the freedom of being you, and honoring you who you are while dropping your destructive patterns. Loving yourself is magical. It's a divine relationship that will help you radically improve every single aspect of your life. So go on, drop the guilt, and embrace having a deep, long relationship with you. Accept yourself as a work in progress and continue to build yourself into the person you are dreaming to be, the person you have all the potential to be. Accept your flaws, accept your truth, accept your past, and make light of them. No one can tear you down if you make peace with who you are and where you have been. If you're going to focus on the negative at all, focus on turning them into positives. Focus on growing. Sometimes, actually, oftentimes, our minds are the scariest place to sit. I'll trick you into comparing yourself to others, and it will trick you into believing that you are not good enough. But you are. You have always been, and you will always be. You are much more powerful when you believe in yourself. If you don't love all of you, who will? So, guys, love yourself. Self love is very much important in your life. Give yourself time to blossom.